To move your new vehicle from the dealership, car insurance is required to provide financial compensation to the dealer to cover a loss. To get the keys to your new home, you are required to buy homeowners insurance to provide financial compensation to the mortgage company to cover a loss. Life insurance provides financial compensation to your family to cover the loss of your income. This is the only non-required insurance that will actually take care of your family's future when you're gone. However, owning insurance without the proper estimation of the amount of coverage needed is of no use. Adequate coverage will meet the needs of your family. Don't wait, let's chat. Please don't forget to like and share the video with the people you know and who may need it.